Hudson. Hi, Jade. It's been a long time since Yaya's read you a story, and I know everybody's been busy. You've been doing things with your families, and I've been doing things over here in Florida, doing different things in the garden and around the house, and trying to make things nice and comfortable here. So, today I have a story, two stories. One is a little Spanish lesson, and one is a story about the construction worker. And there's the construction worker. Sorry about the glare of the light, but if I don't have a light, you won't see me and you won't see the book. So try to ignore that big moonlight there. So this is the story about the construction worker. This is the construction worker, and these are her clothes. This is the hard hat and boots with steel toes. These are the gloves and the bright orange vest. This is the tool belt, and now she is dressed. Did you know that women can be construction workers too? They can. This is the truck that drives to the site. These are the machines that sat quiet all night. See, they're building a building, big building. This is the foreman. There he is, the boss of the crew, who tells all the workers what they need to do. This is the dump truck. This is the load. This is the gravel it dumps on the road. This is the beam, and this is the space, and this is the crane that will hoist it in place. This is the scaffold that reaches the sky, and this is the clang and the bang and the cry. I'm not sure what the cry is. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what they're crying for. Crying that it's ready, it's done, you did it. And now comes the moment they all love the best. Don't we all? When each of the workers sits down for a rest. See, they're going to their lunch break. See them all sitting there eating their lunch. Then each of those workers work at work once again, walking and riding, pushing and sliding, drilling and screwing and painting and gluing, hauling and rigging and crawling and digging, pounding and banging and bashing and clanging. Well, that's pretty noisy, isn't it? Do you ever hear them? They're very noisy. This is the glint of the steel and the hint of the spire. This is the sun on the beams and the girders that climb even higher. From sunup to sundown, they know what to do. Each of the workers are part of the crew. See that? Everybody knows what to do. And then they get building. And that's the story of the construction worker. And boy, I wouldn't want to be a construction worker in the heat in the summertime. It's pretty hot out there. That's why sometimes you'll see them taking a break and having some water, and everybody needs a break. So this one is a little Spanish book about feelings. Sentimientos, feelings. We're going to learn a little bit of Spanish today. Brave, valiente, brave, valiente. Scared, asustado, scared, asustado. Hungry, hambriento, hungry. Full, Satisfecho, full. Satisfecho. Excited, emocionado, emocionado. And calm is tranquilo, tranquilo. He's tranquilo. Quiet is callado, quiet, callado. And noisy is ruidoso, noisy, ruidoso. And then asleep, dormido, dormido, asleep, dormido. And awake, see that owl's awake all night, despierto, awake, despierto. And those are some feelings in Spanish. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to record another one next week. I think we might do next week good night sharks. Does that sound like fun? And then some more Spanish, something different. So until then, Yaya loves you. Have a nice week, and I'll see you next week.